So how does this car tyre help improve our lawn drainage? If you want to know the answer, stay tuned and I'll show you how. So what we're going to do with this car tyre today, we're going to convert it into something called rubber crumb, which we are then going to put into the lawn, into some holes that I'm going to create to improve drainage that way. So first of all, I need to take this tyre to the recycling plant and get it converted into rubber crumb. So I'll go now, I'm going to teleport and I'll be back ASAP. Where am I? Whoa, that was fast, I'm out of breath. So now we've got it converted into rubber crumb, we can now think about making some holes in the lawn and putting it in. First of all, I'm going to take this crowbar to my left, I'm going to create some deep holes in the lawn and then that'll improve our drainage. So let's show you how we do that. Right, so I've got my wrecking bar. I've just picked this up from Travis Perkins for 23 quid. I needed one anyway, so it's a good investment. Doing a bit of patio work in the coming weeks, so I could do with that just to lift up. So it's not a waste of money. It's by Rock Force. It's got really pointy end, which is the end we're using. It's got a chisel end, that end, for if you're lifting flags or doing anything like that, which requires a bit of leverage. I'm going to leave that plastic cap on just to protect my face. Shouldn't need to really, because I'm going to be working at arm's length, but just to be on the safe side. So what we want to do is, we want to drive this into the lawn, wiggle it about a bit, then pull it out. What we're going to do today is, we're going to take this wood end, and we're going to drive it into the lawn, creating some holes. It's not aeration, it's drainage work, so don't be confused between the two. If your lawn is really bad drainage, maybe this isn't the routine you want to go through, because you could injure yourself if you hit something like rocks or something. Where I know this lawn is pretty soil based and it's really mushy underfoot. So it's something you wouldn't do in the middle of summer because the ground would be too hard. Perfect time to do it at the moment because it's just going to go in like a knife through butter. So wish me luck. First hole. And what do you know? Have it to drain. There we go, so there you go. I put some drains in 23 years ago and I've just hit them. So we're just going to create these little holes, wiggle it about and it comes out easier. All the way like that. This area is quite damp and we know that because we've got loads of moss here. So this will really do the lawn good favour. Good on the old biceps as well, this work. And the triceps. Notice I'm standing at arm's length, I don't want this going in my face. It's difficult when you've got a big nose like me because there's always the risk you could hit it on the way back up like that. So just keep doing that. Look a bit the drain again there. And this can be used to find drains as well, a second usage. So I'm just going to keep putting these holes in until I get out of breath. I don't want to do any more. I'll just maybe do like a square metre. You can, if you want to, drill the holes with an auger bit. I see him on the other lawn channels doing that. I think it was Lawn Right, but he filled it with compost, but I'm doing rubber crumb and I'll explain why in a short while. So we're nearly there. Right, that'll do. So next thing is to get the rubber crumb and a brush, and then we'll do the next bit, which is brushing it in. So I'll just show you up close. Got some real depth in those holes now. You can do as many or as little as you want. Got plenty of rubber crumb to brush in. I'm probably not going to use the whole bag here today. This is just as an exercise to show you how to improve lawn drainage. If, like I said before, your lawn is really bad, then the only cure for you is maybe dig some trenches and put some pipe in and some gravel. I'll maybe show you that one day when I've got a job on. But today, it's just how to alleviate like mild problems with the drainage, where you just got a little bit of surface water that hangs around for a day or so, and you just want to get rid of that. This is a good way of doing it. So let's go and get the rubber crumb and my brush, and we'll start filling these holes in. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you up close the rubber crumb. All it is is, like we said before, it's just recycled tyre cut to 2 to 4 mil pieces. This is great stuff for the lawns because it doesn't compact. No matter how hard you squeeze it, keeps its shape for years and years and years. It will never ever get like that, so it'll always be spongy and let water through. It holds heat. We know rubber's a good insulator, so it'll soak up that heat out of the ground when there is some and insulate it, and then maybe we'll get a bit longer out of the summer because the ground temperature stays warmer. If you're doing this all over, that is. Obviously in just small areas you're going to get just that heat retention. It expands and contracts with the weather, cold and hot. So and we're recycling, so we help save the planet with these recycled tyres. So I'll show you where I got this from on my description. There's also a 10% code on there. So if you want to do it, go to this company. It's 20 quid a bag almost, just over, delivered, which is even better, and it goes for miles. So, and you can always use this as a top dressing as well to protect the crown of the plant. So we can just take this and literally just pour it into the hole until it fills up. So we're full there, and we'll go like that. And then what we can also do is take our 2 forks that we used last time out, and we can just close this hole back up, and you'll never know we've been other than that rubber crumb there. So that's one. Let's get on with the rest. And that's how we solve a little bit of a drainage issue. So that's it for today, a very short one. Hope you've learned something on how to improve your lawn drainage. Very simple, no frills, but does a great job. If you want to buy that rubber crumb, I got that from Collier Turf on eBay. I've left a link in my description with a 10% discount code if you want to buy some. Call it a Valentine's special. Remember, if you liked it, the video that is, please hit that subscribe button. Not bothered about the likes, but just get that subscribers up. I'm nearly at 5,000, so let's try and do it this weekend for me, and I'll do a great offer on Valentine's Day on my eBay page myself. So take care, and I'll see you soon.